anyway.
It don't matter who we are. My point is, you think you can just drive around and pull people over for no reason.
Two men sitting quietly inside their car, engine off, doors closed, not speeding, not parked illegally, but suddenly they're surrounded. Officers approach with questions that sound more like accusations, without a clear reason, without a valid traffic stop. Yet here they are, being pressed, challenged, recorded. This wasn't about public safety. This was a search for control over people who knew their rights. This is how it began.
I'm live. Camera, it's live.
Landscape portrait. Well, we're getting pulled over for doing absolutely nothing wrong. Deputies pulling us over for not doing anything wrong. Haven't broken any laws.
Coming to your side.
You're gonna see my back. That's all you're gonna see.
Fine, how are you doing?
I'm good.
What's happening?
Hey, Deputy, or Sergeant think me on the Sheriff's Office.
We
Okay.
can see that. What's your badge number? What's your ID number?
332, I'm sorry.
332? Alright. Why'd we pull over? I don't know. Why are you pulling us over?
The lady said y'all were taking a picture over. I just...
Is that against the law?
No, sir. No.
Then why did you pull us over? You actually broke the law pulling us over because we haven't broken a law. No, there's no investigation unless we had a crime committed. We haven't committed a crime, but you just put red lights on.
Okay, then why are you allowed to take that crosswalk and drive up the road to turn in there and drive up this road
Into oncoming traffic.
into that other road there?
No, coming from that direction, coming this way.
I don't know who's in that
car,
vehicle.
Whoever it was, man, woman, turned into that turning lane, came towards us. We were parked on the side
That's
of the road.
why we took a picture of her.
And she came towards us in the oncoming traffic lane. I got it on video.
See, I wouldn't have known.
I got it on video. But either way, you
Well, it
pulled us
doesn't
over
matter.
without a reason.
We're in public. We can video and film anything we want.
If I hadn't come and made contact.
Yeah, but see, you don't get to just make contact because you feel like it. You don't just get to pull people over with your blue lights on because you feel like it. We have to have broken a law. That's the disconnect between you and me right now.
Sir, how would I have got
You don't get to pull people over unless they break laws,
I'm
sir.
asking you is how would I have gotten you to stop?
What reason do you have us to stop?
If I needed to make contact.
For what legal reason? What law did we break?
Listen, we were in public. We were on a public road. Taking a picture of somebody is not illegal. That's exactly what you should have told her. Nobody broke the law.
I need to file a complaint against you because you don't get to just ride around pulling people over because you want to.
That's all I needed to know.
You don't need to know that. You don't need to know a damn thing. This is fucked up. Fucking problem because you guys think you can just get behind a motherfucker and pull him the fuck over for no fucking reason. And that pisses me off. No, you violated our rights by pulling us over without us breaking the law. You have no right to do that. It's still, don't you understand? You have a badge. You have a duty to bust people. You don't have a right to pull people over that haven't broke a law. How do you not get that?
Sir, if I ask you for ID,
it don't matter. You don't get no ID from me. You won't get ID from me. You don't even get to ask. It ain't part of your job.
I don't know who y'all are anyway.
It don't matter who we are. My point is, you think you can just drive around and pull people over for no reason.
For taking a picture of somebody in public. For taking a picture of somebody in public. What you should have done was you should have addressed her, not us. You should have told her what we did. We didn't do nothing illegal.
Took a picture of it.
So what?
Said I'll go make contact and see what's going on. Make sure everything's okay.
Wait a minute. You have
Everything's
a right
okay.
to pull somebody over because somebody said that they took a picture of them in public. You believe that in your mind? Really?
Y'all have a great day, okay?
You too.
I'll have a great day when I file my complaint for you pulling us over illegally, man. You just don't get to pull people over because you fucking feel like it. That's bullshit, man. You know it and I fucking know it. No, I already know your shit. I'm the one who we fucking told get the hell out of here. Boy, get your ass off the steps. Remember in the fucking courthouse down here?
I didn't tell you that, sir.
No, your sheriff said that to me. I'm that guy. I'm the guy that you're a sheriff. Let me say it in English this time so you can understand.
That's you, sir. You can say whatever you want.
It don't matter. You don't get to just fucking pull people over for no reason, dude. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Don't you know your job? Then get your ass back in your car. What you need to do, you should have never fucking came out here and fucked with us to start with, man. This is bullshit. You don't fucking pull people over without a reason. When the fuck will you understand this shit? Fuck, man. What the fuck is wrong with these people?
There you have it, folks.
That's how I get. But I'm just a fucking poor dirt farmer. Fuck them.
We stopped along the road to take a picture of a sign. Some lady pulled across the crosswalk and drove up the highway the wrong way to make a turn. So we took a little video of her doing these illegal activities. She got pissed off, called the sheriff.
Sorry, dude. I apologize.
No, I'm good. I'm fine.
I apologize to everybody out. Taking a picture of the Wayne Pageant sign. That's what we were doing.
The They stayed calm, asked the right questions, but the officers kept circling, hoping for compliance without cause. No laws broken, no threats made, and yet minutes passed in silent pressure. Eventually, the questions stopped. The officers walked away with nothing to show, because sometimes doing nothing wrong is still not enough. And that's the problem. Here is another case. He had just left his house. He wasn't speeding, he wasn't reckless, just quietly driving through town. But within minutes, flashing lights appeared behind him. The officer's reason? Taillights, the same ones he'd already replaced, legally at his own expense. He knew the law, he knew his rights, but even that wasn't enough to stop what came next, because sometimes doing everything right still isn't protection.
All right, guys, I'm getting pulled over for no damn reason. Just left my house, just going on a cruise. Wasn't speeding, have insurance. Let's see what this is about. Let's see what this is about.
I give you a driver's license or insurance, sir.
Can I ask why?
Once I have your driver's license, see your driver's license.
That's not protocol, dude. Why did you pull me over?
Okay, well, I told you last time I saw you at the gas station, it wasn't a traffic stop then. I advised you that your taillights were illegal.
All right. Can I step out for a second?
Absolutely.
You are being recorded too, just so you know. So this is what he has a problem with, the tail lights. At which point you see I did do what you said. If you look here, they have been replaced. They're OEM. They're OEM. OEM dot certified. Paid $275 a piece. You want to look at them? Look at them, bro. I went through and I paid the extra money, and now you're pulling me over again.
What I saw is they look dark.
It's legal. It's legal.
There's
plenty of other cars around here that have black taillights, don't even have color.
I'm explaining to you why, okay? That's all. They looked dark when I pulled behind you. Okay? That's it.
All right. Any other issues? Because you've seen it now.
Was it that hard?
No, but it's just a little bit disconcerting to me that I can't go about my travels in this town. It's sickening. Without being pulled over for no reason. And then you ask me for my license and you try to give me a headache over it because I didn't do anything.
Okay, well, when you're pulled over in the state of Minnesota, you have to produce a license.
But I actually have to produce a driving infraction for you to pull me over.
Okay. When you're stopped in Minnesota, you have to produce a driver's license.
There has to be a reason for you to stop me.
Okay. I provided you a reason.
And I told you.
Okay, but you still haven't provided me a driver's license.
What's your reasonable suspicion for pulling me over? After I showed you that my tail lights were good. OEM. This will be interesting. Now I am confiding to him even though he doesn't need this. You can look up the policy right here. You can look up the policy number, you'll see it's active. Okay, but you can still use that to see if I am current.
I don't have access to their system, sir.
All right. I'm gonna pause the video and show him my app real quick. All right. That's what we're dealing with, guys. That's what we're dealing with, guys. Unlawful fucking stops here.
He gave every answer, stayed respectful. Still, the officer pushed, searching for something that wasn't there. It came without warning. It ended without apology, just confusion and wasted time. This wasn't about law breaking. It was about how quickly authority can be misused and how often innocent people pay the price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.